So we have a little challenge with the fam. So all they need is to choose the best flip-flops they see. And yeah, I'll let you know kung saan sila napila.
Yo.
Hi there everybody! I hope makitaan pa ko ninyo. Okay, medyo dim. But anyway, welcome to another video. So as you have seen on my past videos, I have shopped with me at Spruce, right? Remember, itong napit ko gift from my mom and my sister. And now we are going to SM Uptown. Actually, we're here na and we're gonna visit the AFF or All Flip-Flop pop-up store right here at SM Uptown. And this time, we'll check out, of course, one of the, or should I say, the best rubber flip-flops in the world, Havaianas. And it's so timely that I'm with the fam. I'm with Konsehal. Hi there. With my momshi. And with my brother. And of course, myself. I have a challenge for them that they have to pick their own flip-flops of their choice. So, depende na lang of what they want. Because I've heard during the summer, during summer, diba, we'd go to the beach or pool or wherever, getaways, nga naka-sleepers lang. That's always a go-to and staple from your OOTD. So, we'll enter the All Flip-Flop pop-up store in just a little while.
Hello.
And mag-park lang me in a bit. Okay? See ya! Hey there everybody! Finally, I'm here sa All Flip-Flop stores at SM Uptown, and finally, I met Sir Krishna! Hi, Sir Krishna! Okay, so we have a little challenge with the fam. So all they need is to choose the best flip-flops they see. And yeah, I'll let you know kung saan sila napila. We have chosen 3 pairs of Havaianas. We got here this one. This is for Popsy, for Papa. This pair. And for Ed naman, this one. This design, Waikiki Beach design. Woo! And for myself, I have this. Velvet. How do you call this one, sir? Velvet something?
Cream velvet.
Cream velvet pair of Havaianas. So you can come visit here sa SM Uptown All Flip-Flop store. And makita niyo doon yung gwapong-gwapo and fresh to si Sir Chris. Here sa Havaianas All Flip-Flops, dagan gyapon kayo mong choices of colors, of prints, of Havaianas flip-flops that you'll see inside the shop. So as you can see here, there's new arrivals. And of course, the classics.
Grabe na lang ako yan.
Nasuot na po. Yay! There you go. My Havaianas here with a flip-flop. Woo! Thank you so much, Miss Rose. Boom dia!